Master the TOEFL Speaking Task 4. Step-by-step practice activities. Hello, enthusiastic learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most challenging sections of the TOEFL, Task 4 of the Integrated Speaking section. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a series of practice activities to help you ace this part of the test. Let's jump right in. Before we delve into the practice activities, it's vital to grasp the essence of Task 4. In this task, you'll read a short passage, listen to a related lecture, and then speak about them. Your response will integrate information from both sources. Key points. 1. Reading passage, typically academic, introduces a concept or a theory. 2. Listening passage, often elaborates on the reading, providing examples or contradicting points. 3. Speaking response, should be clear and coherent, integrating key points from both sources. The best way to get comfortable with Task 4 is to immerse yourself in diverse academic topics. Activity. Spend 10 minutes each day reading a random Wikipedia article. Summarize the main points out loud in under a minute. This activity familiarizes you with various subjects and helps you practice concise summarization. Once you're familiar with various topics, it's time to hone your listening skills. Activity. Listen to a short academic lecture or podcast. Jot down the main points and examples. Speak about what you've heard, trying to connect it with any related topic or concept you know. This exercise sharpens your listening and integration skills. Now, for the most crucial part, bringing reading and listening together. Activity. Read a short academic passage. Immediately after, listen to a related audio clip or lecture. Without taking extensive notes, summarize both the reading and listening parts out loud in under a minute. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you immerse yourself in these activities, the more comfortable you'll get at quickly integrating information from both sources. And there we have it. With these practice activities, you're on your way to mastering Task 4 of the TOEFL Speaking section. Remember, confidence is key. Keep practicing, stay positive, and soon enough, you'll find Task 4 to be a breeze. Happy studying, and may you achieve the scores you aim for.